Squarespace is a beginner-friendly all-in-one platform that includes domain names, hosting, web builders, and all the extra tools you may need for web design. While most of the features are simple, some may require a bit of guidance, but don't worry, that's why I'm here. This is your full 2026 Squarespace tutorial. Now, if you're still not quite sure whether you want to try Squarespace, to make this decision easier, I have a premium deal just for you. If you use my discount link below, the best discount will automatically be applied, and you will be able to start your online website journey with the lowest possible price. In order to build a website with Squarespace, you have to click here where it says Get Started. Now, before I continue with the Squarespace tutorial, it's important to note that you can't get the subscription before you create your website. So if you want to use the discount, you'll have to construct one first. Don't worry though, I'll tell you when it's the best time to grab the plan. So to continue the Squarespace how-to, you can start by choosing what topic your site will be about. As you can see, there are plenty of options to choose from photography to weddings. The winter has been way too long and way too cold, so I really miss traveling literally anywhere without freezing. So naturally, I'm going to choose travel as the focus of the tutorial website. Once you've chosen the topic, Squarespace is going to ask you about your website ambitions. If you have a vague idea of what you want, but you're not completely dead set on a specific plan, don't worry. You'll be able to change things by editing your site at any point in your website design journey. But for the time being, I'm going to choose sell services and sell online courses. Once you're past that, you'll be presented with the choice to either create a website from templates or with AI. You can pick the latter if you have a very specific vision, but for now, I'm going to choose from the templates. Oh, and it's also worth mentioning that every Squarespace design template has the exact same functionality, focusing on aesthetics, simplicity, and clear structure. Also, these templates are considered some of the best in the industry and have won multiple awards. In my opinion, I love the fact that they're so professional and smooth. And if you're not exactly a fan of any of the themes, Squarespace allows its users to buy extra designs from third-party marketplaces. Or if you want to earn some of that good old coin, you have the ability to sell your own Squarespace templates. Once you've found and selected a template you like, the website will guide you to a page where you can choose your website's color palette. Personally, I'm more of a fan of muted colors, but if you like vivid and bright designs, Squarespace has an option for that too. And it's very important to note that once selected, templates are easily customizable but cannot be changed without starting a new site. So make your choices wisely. By now, you may have noticed the text at the bottom of your screen, which warns you about the impending doom for your trial in 14 days. In all seriousness, the free trial comes in handy if you just want to test out the key features without payment. You can create as many trial sites as you'd like, but in order to actually publish your website, having a subscription is a requirement. That's where my deal comes in. Since you're serious about publishing your website, whether it be a portfolio or an online business, it's best to do it now because the discount is a limited time offer. Again, if you want my special discount, click the link in the description and get your website up and running at a portion of the full price. After clicking the link, you're going to be presented with a bunch of different subscription plans. My Squarespace advice would be to get the cheapest available plan. If you want to use advanced tools like AI or unlimited storage, you can upgrade your plan at any time. Now, did you really think we were done with this Squarespace guide? By choosing the template and the design, we've given your website a solid foundation to build on. The real work starts when you see this screen. I know this may look confusing at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll understand how to make a website with Squarespace easily by adding in customization catered to your specific vision. Here are some technical tools that might be useful in the future. Let's start with scheduling. It's quite simple and direct as it gives you access to the necessary tools, allowing users to schedule any kind of appointment. The analytics panel shows the traffic your website receives, including your sales and how they fluctuate percentage-wise. Last but not least, Finance lets you add the payment types you'd like to receive from customers and shows the quantity and revenue of your sales. There are way more tools, but they're more advanced and specific, so I won't go into them. Once you've explored all the technical options, when you click Home, you'll notice a checklist. The checklist shows if you've completed all the basic, most important steps before launching your website. This feature ensures that Squarespace for Beginners is easy and makes tracking your progress a breeze. Okay, since we've gotten that covered, let's move on to what is, in my opinion, the most fun part: editing. When you click Edit Site in the top right corner of your screen, you're given the tools to adjust your website according to your creative direction. So the website feature covers your most basic settings. The panel offers extensive modification options, including the ability to change the website style and layout. But right now I'm gonna add a new page. And when you click on the Pages panel under the main navigation subcategory, click the plus sign right here. Then scroll down a bit. Since I'm selling services, I'm gonna press on Services here and choose from a template I like. Given that I don't want it to overshadow the news, I'm gonna drag the panel below the first page like so. If you click edit at the upper left corner, you can actually rename the page however you'd like. Let's come up with a cool name. Our tutorial page is gonna be called Explorers & Co. So far, I've added one page, but you have the ability to add many more according to your needs, whether it's an extra page for your portfolio or legal pages you might want to include. The possibilities are endless. Since it's quite a quirky website, I feel that muted colors don't work that well anymore. So if I click exit and go to styles, I get to pick a more fun color. Here, you can also change the heading, font, and the type of buttons you feel best fit your site. For now, I'm gonna choose this one. If you scroll to the bottom of the site styles, you'll notice another panel titled miscellaneous. Here's where the magic starts. If you click on animations, you're presented with a bunch of animation styles to choose from. They animate site elements as they appear on the screen along with their speed. So since I'm trying to make a fun website, I'm gonna choose fast and flex. And remember, when you choose your own animation, don't forget to save and then exit. See, now I like where my website's going, but I feel like it's not quite there yet. Now we go to assets and we can see a bunch of pictures lined up. This is essentially your library that you'll use when editing your website. I'm gonna delete the first 3 pictures and click on the right corner to upload a photo of my choice. But if you don't have any photos, you can use their free image gallery, which lets you import stock images. Talk about convenience. Squarespace also provides you with industry-leading SEO and AIO tools powered by AI. It's great if you want your website to rank at the top of Google search results. So all you have to do is click on SEO and AIO and then just click here. The AI is going to do most of the work for you. It has the ability to generate meta descriptions, which helps with page visibility. The best part is that every page has its own SEO settings and content management. Squarespace also gives you the fluid engine. Essentially what it does is allow you to edit the grid on a specific page. What's great about it is how easy, smooth, and clean it is to use. Additionally, you can edit the text and photo placement by just dragging them and placing them anywhere you'd like. So you have all the basics covered, and as you can see, there's a lot more tools left. So I'll just give you a quick rundown of what they do. This way, you'll be able to pick and choose what your website needs. If your goal is to create an online store, the products and services panel is perfect for you. Squarespace gives you the ability to diversify your selling tools. That means that you get to sell your products through your website and through social media platforms. You can also add sold products, discounts, and track orders. Content and memberships let you build members-only communities and sell exclusive content. Donations give you the ability to set up and view donations and donor amounts. Invoicing gives you the tools to send custom invoices to customers. Email campaigns help you set up automated emails that trigger when a user takes a specific action, like a thank you message when a product is purchased. Now, contacts is great if you have a subscriber-based system, as it lets you send emails to specific contacts you add to the list. Now your tutorial on how to make a website has reached a critical point in your journey. You've done everything, and now you're thinking of publishing it. All you have to do is go through every single page and check that everything is where you want it to be. You can do some adjustments while you're at it. There's no rush. And once you've reviewed everything, all you have to do is go back to home and press publish your site. You're gonna have to choose the domain that's included in your subscription, and that's it. You've officially learned how to make a website with Squarespace. In general, I love how polished, professional, and easy to use Squarespace is. At first, it might seem confusing, but once you get the hang of it, you'll quickly catch on to the more advanced features. So I hope you found this tutorial on how to use Squarespace helpful. And if you want more videos like this, remember to leave a like and subscribe. And make sure to click the link in the description to get the best Squarespace deal.